It's time for a new adventure. As we travel to one of the most beautiful islands in the world.
Welcome to Wild of the World, and you're still joining our epic trip around the world, where we ended up in the Caribbean and we started in Martinique, where we took the boat to this little slice of heaven, because this is Saint Lucia.
But Martinique was certainly no punishment either. In the last episode you saw this beautiful part of France.
The first place we are staying here on Saint Lucia is a really special one, because this is Crystal Villas Hotel, where you sleep in 3 houses in the middle of the jungle.
Especially the view on Saint Lucia's crown jewels is amazing. Those peaks over there are the Pitons.
We're staying at Crystal's Villa Hotel in the apartment called Silver Palm, and we get this amazing view, but wait till you see the inside.
This luxury villa with a swimming pool is truly a highlight on itself. We didn't expect this in such a remote place in the middle of the jungle. But we want to see a lot more of Saint Lucia, and that's why we rent this blue little monster at Drive-O-Matic.
Today we visit the most beautiful spot in the Soufrière area, and that's the Diamond Botanical Gardens, where you can walk a nature trail towards the Diamond Waterfalls.
In the middle of all that tropical rainforest, this waterfall is picture perfect. The grey water serves as a natural spa, full of minerals. And let's not forget the hummingbirds.
That's one of the advantages, guys, of having a kitchen. I'm cooking, so I'm making some rice, vegetables and chicken from the oven. Woo! Today we spend a day at one of the most beautiful beaches you can find on Saint Lucia, and it's called Anse Chastanet, especially for snorkeling. So let's grab some gear and go.
There's a wonderful Caribbean vibe everywhere we go. The local bar in Soufrière is called Whispers, and it's our regular spot. Even if at night it turns into a disco. We drive a bit further south and sleep in La Fargue.
The Pitons are of course the main attraction of Saint Lucia, and everywhere you go you'll see them at the horizon. And one of the best trails you can walk is Tet Paul, a nature trail hike where you get the best views. Let's go! Kijk Jens, dat is mooi.
Ja.
Stairway to heaven. In total, the hike takes us an hour there and back, and it's a must-do.
Of course, we couldn't possibly skip the most beautiful beach between the two Pitons, and it's called Jalousie Plantation Beach, or in short, Sugar Beach, with one of the two Pitons on every side.
So now we see the view that we had at Tet Paul from up close. It's so relaxed and insanely beautiful.
When you drive around on Saint Lucia, you'll notice that every side is different and unique in its own way, and so is the south, because we're staying just outside of Vieux Fort in the southernmost point on a peninsula on a big hill where you have a 360 view over the Caribbean Sea. This is Villa Caribbean Dream, where we're staying for the coming nights.
Hold up. How deep can we go? 'Cause you're pulling me straight down.
This is really a place to get away from the world for a while. The south is more quiet and there's little to no tourism.
The pressure.
It's a beautiful day here on Saint Lucia, and it's time for a little road trip because we exchanged the southern tip for the northern part. And we cross along the east coast to see this beautiful lookout here. This is Dennery Lookout. Unfortunately, all good things come to an end, and so does our trip here in Saint Lucia. But we have 3 days left and we stay at Bay Gardens Resort here at Rodney Bay in the north side. It's all inclusive, so we're gonna have a fun time and then move on to the next island, Tobago.
But let's enjoy the luxury first. Bay Gardens is one of a few larger resorts, but not nearly as massive as they are in Florida or Mexico, for example. And we are having such a great time. Despite the more touristy side of Rodney Bay, this is also an incredibly beautiful part of the Caribbean. The north almost seems like a different island, but I would certainly recommend to see this side too, for a couple of days. Let's meet again soon for more adventure on the island of Tobago. And don't forget to like and follow us around the world. Ciao!